my system crashed. I lost my data. Oops, my system crashed. I lost my data, but I had an antivirus. Protegent. Antivirus is not enough. You need Protegent. World's only antivirus.
I am Proto. To perform is my motto. Install me on your computer to protect your
phone video links.
better. With needed viruses could enter your computer. Malware, spyware, Trojan, they enter your processor. I filter your junk mail, monitoring Wi-Fi, always fail. I'm Proto. Your security is I keep your data deleted. Your virus security gone forever. Anti-pussy for safe browsing. I am Proto. This is my motto. I make
virus and internet threats
at office lot easier. Even with 20% less staff, the company is complete shit. I'm Proto. Data theft is my motto. I allow data leakage. I hack your Facebook and leak your news, stealing of your kids, and you work with tension. I am your angry boss. Data loss is my motto. I reverse your angry boss, bringing you to data loss. I delete all your files on a fly, bringing you to your angry boss. I'm Proto. Laptop theft is my motto. I track your families non-stop. I do security breach. I am Proto, bringing viruses closer is my motto. I protect your kids while this, as I know that parenting is must. I like to bring to your faces, making internet surfing relaxing. I am Proto, super. I is my motto.
Super one, super one.
He's the guy. He's sense.
Antivirus is not enough. You need Protegent. Your antivirus. Think Protegent.
Hi, do you know me? No. I'm Proto, and I have problems.
Huh?
Yes, you need Protegent 360 to be installed in all your computers. What? It protects you from virus and internet threats with Protegent Total Security. It protects you from data theft with port locker and data leakage prevention. It protects you from unethical activities by monitoring computer activity and sending the complete activity log on the assigned email ID.
Are you sure about that?
Try Protegent 360 and experience yourself. Hey, you know me? And I represent Protegent. Yes, now you don't have to worry at all. Protegent 360 provides you complete security by providing protection from viruses and internet threats. Protection from unethical activities. Protection from data theft. Protection from laptop theft. protection from data loss. I'm always confident about bringing parents closer to their children. Do you know me? Yes, single solution. You need Protegent 360 to be installed in your and your employees' machines. It protects you from virus and internet threats with Protegent Total Security. It protects you from data theft with Port Locker and data leakage prevention. It protects you from unethical activities, from activity monitoring and reporting. And it protects your computer from physical theft and also tracks your employee location at any point of time. I'm not kidding. You install Protegent 360 and experience yourself. I am a one-stop solution to all your computer security problems with Protegent 360. Think beyond antivirus, think Protegent.